The cove. Nampara Cove.
See, brother, my prayers did work.
Judas, what happened?
Nothing, sister. Just a scratch.
He'll need rest and warm.
We'll bring him up to the house.
Dwight, they brought you home.